Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Awfa Nabila binti Muhammad Faizul. This video is about how to make DIY pesticide. This is one that I've made just now. It's quite simple and you can do it yourself. So the ingredients is soda powder, vegetable oil or neem oil. So it's better to choose the eco-friendly one. Pesticides are meant to control pests. Large consumption of pesticide might be hazardous towards human, and it also might cause damage to the environment. Excessive use of pesticide will lead to the destruction of biodiversity. Birds eat fruit, vegetables, and crops we planted. So when they eat all of them that contains pesticide, it might die. Spray pesticide will drift and pollute the air, which is very harmful towards human, us, and also animals. Baking soda is actually registered with EPA for use against certain plant fungi. It is safe to use them to make DIY pesticide. Let's control pests in our home using organic ingredients.